guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my second look of my Halloween series, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I created, keep on watching. Okay, so first I started off with the Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer on the side of my face that I was going to be applying regular makeup to. So I wanted to start off by mapping out where the split in my face would be, so I just grabbed some liquid latex and toilet paper and began layering that. I also put Vaseline over the eyebrow on the side where the liquid latex would be going so that none of my eyebrow hair got ripped off when I take it out. To begin to start the rotting face effect or like ripped off skin effect, I grabbed some cotton rounds because I didn't have any cotton balls and ripped them up and started applying them to my face with liquid latex. To flatten down the cotton balls, I just painted over them with some liquid latex to give them more texture. Now to any areas of my face that were not covered by cotton balls, I'm applying toilet paper with liquid latex to give it more texture for when I add all the other stuff on top. And I just repeated this step until the left side of my face was completely covered. And to start off the makeup side of my face, I'm just grabbing my Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation and applying it as I normally would. And I'm also making sure to apply it to that original first strip of paper to make it blend into my skin and look more skin-like. For my brows, I'm just taking my Anastasia Dip Brow and I'm basically just doing this section of my face as I would for my everyday makeup routine. Now I'm just going to conceal my face, clean up my eyebrows, bake and contour, and I'm just going to speed through that process because you guys already know what I use, and then I'll get to explaining my eye and the other side of the face. And for eyes, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette because what else would I be using? To start off the look, I'm just going to take the shade Tempura as a base. As a transition color, I'm going to be using the shade Burnt Orange. To deepen up the look, I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber, which is like an espresso brown color, and just putting it in the outer corner and crease. And I'm just going to drag out Cypress Umber and kind of wing it out because I like to make my life complicated and do a cut crease in every single look, so yeah. And to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier concealer. And I'm just going to set that with the shade Tempura. And for the crease shade, I'm using the shimmery gold color called Primavera. And I decided to add a wing with the NYX Epic Wing Line. Then I just went ahead and curled my lashes, put on some mascara, and put on some falsies, and that was it for the beauty side of this look. Lastly, I used the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in number 13 for highlight. Now for the Rotting Flush side of my face, I'm taking my Tartelette Tease palette and getting the shade BFF, which is a dark purple color, and using that to begin the effect of bruising. And I'm going back into the Modern Renaissance palette and taking the shade Red Ochre to add more definition to the bruising. And now I'm taking Red Cream Halloween makeup to start the blood effect, and I'm also filling in my left eyebrow with this. Then I'm also putting that cream makeup under the initial first line to give a better effect of the peeling off skin. And then I'm again mixing the shades BFF and Red Ochre around my eye socket to mimic more bruising. And now I'm just going into my Prism palette and taking the shade Obsidian to further darken up my eye socket. And I'm just going to grab some fake blood and dab it all over my face to give it that more realistic look of rotting skin. And then to cover up my lips, I'm using the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Vintage. Okay guys, so that's the final look. So I hope you guys enjoy this half beauty, half dead face makeup. I think it came out pretty good. I'm happy with how it turned out. And if you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my socials. They will be linked down below. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye!